Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Teams using MFA settings, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate with Microsoft Teams using multi-factor authentication, first, ensure you have the Microsoft Authenticator app installed on your mobile device. Open the Microsoft Teams application on your computer or mobile device. Enter your email address associated with your Teams account. Click on the Sign In button. After entering your email, click Next. You will receive a prompt to enter your password. Type in your password and click Sign In. If multi-factor authentication is enabled, you will be prompted to verify your identity using a second method. Choose from the available verification methods, such as receiving a text message or a phone call. If you select text message, enter the code received on your phone. If you choose to receive a call, answer the call and follow the instructions. Once you have successfully verified your identity, you will be signed into Microsoft Teams. You can now access all your Teams and channels. If prompted to stay signed in, choose your preferred option. For enhanced security, regularly review your MFA settings. Ensure that your recovery options are up to date in case you need to regain access. Keep your Microsoft Authenticator app updated for seamless functionality. You are now ready to use Microsoft Teams with enhanced security through multi-factor authentication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.